Hi, I'm Logan Reichenbach of Dragon MMA Academy. I'll be showing you the clamp. So first what you want to do is a wrist wrap in the front, then bring it around the full row and do a wrist wrap in the back. Then you throw it from the inside of your leg to the outside. Once you do that, throw it under and catch with the other leg. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like in my form. I'm Logan Reichenbach of Dragon MMA Academy, and that was the clamp. Hi, I'm Logan Reichenbach of Dragon MMA Academy, and this is Disney Channel. Hi, I'm Logan Reichenbach of Dragon MMA Academy.
Do it again.
I'll be showing you. What? Hi, I'm Logan Reichenbach with Dragon MMA
No,
Academy.
do it again.
Okay. Hi, I'm Logan Reichenbach of Dragon MMA Academy. I'll be showing you the clamp. Once you throw it, comes to the other leg, catch it. Catch it. Just like that.
Go.
Now I'm going to show you what it looks like in my form. Got caught in my pants. I'm sorry.
Hi, I'm David Pierce with Dragon MMA Academy, and here's a backflip.
I'm Ryan Byler with Dragon MMA Academy, and this is a backflip.